Are we violent by nature, or do we learn to be this way? Many people believe humans are aggressive by default, but psychology says something very different. Our brain comes with a system designed to protect us. When we sense a threat, the amygdala activates, adrenaline rises, and the body enters fight mode. This comes from our ancestors, when survival depended on reacting fast. Authors like Konrad Lorenz describe this as instinctive defensive behavior. But defense is not the same as violence. Then there is testosterone. Many people think testosterone makes you aggressive, but research by Richard Tremblay and others shows something different. Testosterone does not create aggression by itself, it increases the motivation for status. If you are in a violent environment, it reinforces aggression. If you are in a healthy environment, it reinforces leadership and positive energy. It is not the hormone, it is the context. And speaking of context, here comes Albert Bandura, one of the most important psychologists of the 20th century. His social learning theory says we copy what we see, not what we are told. A child who grows up with shouting, hitting, or humiliation learns that this is how you handle conflict. A child who sees dialogue and limits learns something very different. A simple example: two people feel the same anger. One breathes, thinks, and responds calmly. The other explodes. What is the difference? It is not biology. It is emotional education. It is the ability to regulate what you feel without letting it control you. We also know that violence decreases when social connection increases. Paul Bloom and other researchers show that empathy and cooperation reduce aggressive impulses because the brain stops seeing the other person as a threat. So are we violent by nature? The evidence shows we are not. We have defensive impulses inherited from our evolutionary past, yes, but how we express them depends on environment, learning, and skills. A person without tools reacts. A person with tools chooses. Violence is not inevitable. It is moldable, teachable, and in most cases avoidable. You are not condemned by your biology. You are influenced by it, but guided by what you learn. And here is something to reflect on. When you get angry, does your reaction look more like what you experienced as a child, or what you wish you could teach others? Tell me in the comments. Maybe your answer will help someone understand that real strength is not in acting on impulse, but in learning to direct it.